Oh my god, that actually worked. Audrey Hepburn, Marilyn Monroe, Grace Kelly, all women who have contributed to my eternal debate on whether I want to be with these people or be these people. The 1950s, not so great for human rights, great for makeup. So today I'm going to recreate this amazing 1950s makeup look, if only to be closer to these beautiful women, but also because I want to see if wearing makeup from different periods is going to change the way that I look at all. So I'll be really interested to see how I feel about my appearance by the end of this. But remember to like this video and subscribe to HISSYFIT for more videos like this. We have a bunch of amazing women creating stuff for this channel at the moment, so please go check us all out. In the 1950s, from what I understand, people had very matte foundation. So I'm picking a foundation today that isn't going to be very dewy. Yeah, I'm using my very dirty Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. Did they have beauty blenders in the 1950s? No? So now that our foundation's on, the next for the face is the blush, and only the blush. God, they had it a lot simpler. Now I've got a contour and highlight and shit. I did actually wear a vaguely 1950s shirt for you today, so this look could be, despite using a beauty blender, a little more authentic. I didn't iron the shirt. Listen, I'm a student. I don't think I've ironed anything in my life. And next of all, we're gonna do the eyebrows. Now, in like all of the photos that I found, their brows are like, they're like bridges. They're like really arched. I'm gonna try and recreate that today. Let's see how this goes. This could go very wrong and I could have like the 1990s version of it. I'm gonna try and avoid that. Baby steps, baby steps. Let's try and get the other eyebrow like that. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Let's just go with that. Okay, cool. Brows, they're arched, they're here. Okay, next of all, the eyes. From what I can see, they had kind of like shimmery eyes. Some greys, some silvers. I'm seeing also some browns here. So I'm gonna go for a brown today. Okay, I'm gonna go prime the lids now. Isn't it interesting how like our perceptions of beauty and like what we do for our makeup and what we class as beautiful change like throughout the years? And then like imagine in 50 years time what all of our fashion's gonna be like. Oh, when I was young we had mascara in a pot, whereas nowadays you have to just scoop it off the ground from radioactive sludge. Actually, that's a bit depressing because that could be true. Haha! Millennial self-destructive humour. Okay, then I'm gonna shove some browns on my lid. I'm gonna take a lighter brown and then a darker brown. Beauty. Our lighter brown is gonna go all the way over the lid. Haha. I admire women in history quite a lot because they had to deal with so much shit. I mean, to be fair, we have to deal with a lot of shit today as well. But yeah, they just did that. You know, and they look great at the same time. Just like, how? Teach me your ways, beautiful people. Okay, y'all, then we're gonna take a darker color and put it in a crease. How about that? Here's my eye makeup. It's time for the eyeliner, okay? So they had like a bit of a cat wing, like a minor cat wing, like a kitten wing. Is that a thing that already exists? I bet it is. I bet I can't coin that phrase. The wing is gonna basically end halfway across the eye to make sure the eye like keeps that sort of 1950s style shape as opposed to like an Amy Winehouse, which is what my eyeliner always inevitably turns into. Let's just do it. Let's just try. You see other people do it and they're like, oh, it's so easy. And I'm like, no, it's not. Oh, what did you do today, Gemma? Oh, I did nothing. I just spent 9 hours trying to put my eyeliner on. I was watching a tutorial and they said that using corner lashes would maximize the effect of the 1950s eye most dramatically. Okay, so these are the Fleur de Force eyelashes from Allure. These are what they look like. They're really pretty. I'm going to try and put them on now and make sure they still look pretty by the time I finish putting them on. This is where it can all go wrong, or it can all go right. Oh, it was the latter. I've lost my other lash. Shit. Oh, there it is. Haha. I'm a motherfucking genius. Oh, damn. It's going to turn out like I've like super glued my eyelashes to my head or some shit like that, isn't it? So now we're just going to add mascara to our lashes to make them seem like we haven't just utterly faked our own. Okay, now for the lower lashes, because I'm a weird person who does my lashes separately. Should we go for a bit of black? Yeah, why not? Could ruin everything. We'll cross that bridge if we come to it. Yeah, if we can just avoid that today. Now the eyes are done. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is the lips. And I'm gonna do like red because they kind of use like reds or like corals and shit like that, and that's quite pretty. And also one thing that I noticed when doing it is like they have a very pronounced Cupid's bow, so I'm gonna try and do that. This is a look. I look like Cruella de Vil. And just to finish off the look, I'm gonna do my hair. Wow, look what I'm doing. I'm doing the beauty thing. So all I've done with my hair is basically push it forwards and pin it back into place. So here is the finished look. I definitely think I look a lot more different to how I usually look. That's probably because this style of makeup is completely different from what I'm used to. Things that I would take away from this and definitely do in the future. The eyebrows are a lot more arched than mine usually are, but I really, really like that. Things that I wouldn't do in the future, the lips are a bit much. That was my fault. But also this has reminded me of like how beauty really is subjective, and like if there's something that you don't like about yourself at a different era, that aspect of yourself that you don't like would be incredibly fashionable. Like for example, if like your brows are a little thinner than other people's, you were just born in the wrong era and should have been born in the 1990s. Or like even if you are slightly more curvier than other people, just means that you should have been born in the 1900s and that you were born in the wrong era again. Or like, you know, if like you're failing your exams, then you should have been born in, I mean, you're just born in the wrong era. Mom, I'm not failing my tests, I'm just born in the wrong era. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to HISSYFIT. And if you want to see more of me, please follow my personal channel, A Million Mad Musings, all links in the description below. I'm not going anywhere after this. Might just go say hi to my roommates looking fabulous. I can do that. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye!